Meaning of gassy.
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 Gassy. The term gassy refers to something that contains or produces gas, particularly in excessive amounts. When used in reference to a person, it can imply that they have an upset stomach or are flatulent. In the context of a substance, it may denote that it is volatile and/or flammable. However, gassy can also be used more colloquially to describe something that is exaggerated, verbose or bombastic. Overall, the term suggests an abundance or excessiveness of gas or air, whether literal or figurative.